So what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 3rd, 2023. Here to talk about DraftKings because it has probably been one of the hottest stocks in 2023. You guys can go all the way back to the beginning of the year. You guys can see what a fantastic run this particular stock has had going all the way back to the beginning of the year. The market in DraftKings ran up about 215%. Now, where were these YouTubers who's been pumping DraftKings when it was around $60, $70 back in 2021? Like, this is what these YouTubers should have talked about. This is the content that they should have created when they continually come in and make videos saying that the market's going to go higher and that they want you to hold the stock for the next 5 years. You want to see a stock to move this way, go up 215% consistently on a major trend. That's what you want. But why would you want to hold it for 5 years when in less than a year you already saw your particular position increase 215%? It doesn't make any sense, now does it? That's a very good return right there. But if you hold on for the next 5 years, who's to say that this current 215% won't go down to 94, won't go down to 40%, 17%, to eventually down 25% because you held out too long? Is this particular stock still a buy? You guys can see earnings came out yesterday. They're not making any money. They're losing money on earnings per share. But they made more revenue. They made more money than what the analysts were estimating. Is that why the stock is currently up around $31? Price prediction right here that we did a while ago, all the way back in April. Did update on the 22nd of May. Didn't change our price prediction. 38% if you were to get on the close of yesterday's trade. Now, one of the bad things is that DraftKings did break our trend line though. See? Our trend line has been broken. Okay, cool. Doesn't mean the market's going to crash. Not necessarily. One thing we will do is create these areas that we can see buyers hitting the market in DraftKings. So this is one area that we can tell buyers are here. Why would I say buyers are here? Because every time the price comes down here, it goes back up. Every time. So apparently there's more buyers in DraftKings around $26, $25.50, right? Let's delineate and figure out where are the sellers. Sellers are right there. Every time the price in DraftKings hit this downtrend line, what happens to the price? It goes down. It's just that simple. So now we know which side the market is. We know sellers are here. We know buyers are down here. Now, earnings, pre-market, look at this. We're already above our downtrend line. So it looks to me like those buyers has completely eradicated the sellers because they're breaking the trend right now. So at the conclusion of today's trading day, if the market in DraftKings is trading above this downtrend line, we have to maintain that the stock is still bullish, that the market is still wanting to see price go up. Look at this on the weekly chart. Okay. So you have to kind of imagine the line, the price bar right now, because it's not finished. But we got 9 hours and 6 minutes. So I'm producing this video pretty early. But if the market in DraftKings closes up here, where it is now, imagine the price spread of this weekly bar all the way up here on the close. That would tell us that the stock is still bullish. Okay, so I am going to anticipate that DraftKings is going to go higher, but then check this out. We saw price break the trend line, this downtrend line, right? Let me move this up there. What about DraftKings being in a trading channel? Is that feasible? Is this possible? The market in DraftKings trading within a trading channel? Yes, it is. And this may be more applicable than the market trending down. seeing how price is breaking that downtrend line already. So I'm going to hold the market like this. And you can see even on a weekly chart that the high in DraftKings may top out 32.50. We're at 31.11 now. The last time price in DraftKings hit 32.50, the market ran down. This would have to be a target for us to see the market to run towards. And then at this level, 32.40, 32.50, we could see the price in DraftKings go back down. And then at the last high, which occurred on this weekly price bar on July 31st. Okay. So I do suspect that DraftKings is going to go higher. Still, here in November of 2023, at the end of the year, this stock is still showing that it wants to go up. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Take a look at DraftKings on the 5. These 3 5-weekly price bars, even though we got a week left on this one, you can tell how reluctant the market is of going down. Monthly chart. All right. So let's go ahead and do this here. We're going to anticipate that the market in DraftKings wants to go higher. 32, maybe 32.50 will have to be our first target. I'm just going to keep it real, and it's not a lot. And then my next target will take us up here towards the resistance area back in July. Okay, so from when the market closed, not where it is currently pre-market, that will still be a 12% move. $34.50 would be the second target, 19.25. Even though that would be my second target, I still want to tell you about this area right here. The high of August the 8th, 2023. We may see the market just top out at that high, or the open right here that occurred on August the 4th. So we may not exactly hit the top of 34.50. Okay, I just want you to understand that that is the location, the vicinity, the area that I'm suspecting the market buyers are trying to move towards. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut this out. Pretty much the high right here, which is around like 32.50, 32.65. That's the first target. And then maybe the high up here towards this resistance area in DraftKings. Okay, so I'm actually finished. You guys are up. Give me your thoughts. New to the channel, hit that like button. And also subscribe, and make sure you keep it tuned in here, because this is where you're going to get a simplistic way of predicting price action and see where prices are likely to go. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.